Hello everyone, welcome to Sources classes. So in this video again we'll be continuing our discussion with questions from the quantitative aptitude section or the QA section. Okay, the question that we have is of divisibility by one number and not by the other. So either or same. So basically we need to find out. So this sort of questions are quite prevalent as a part of the number system chapter or topic, and this sort of questions are quite prevalent seen in exams like GRE and GMAT, and particularly in GMAT. Okay, so quite often than not, this sort of questions are asked. So we'll take a look at the question in front of us, and subsequently we'll try and solve the same, so that whenever we come across a question such as this, we are easily able to solve them. Okay, having said that, let's focus on the question here. How many natural numbers can divide either 120 or 288 but not both? So basically we need to find the number of natural numbers which can either divide 120 or 128 but not both. So first we have 120 and we have 288. So let us just represent the same in terms of the prime factors. 120 can be written as 260, 30, 15. Okay, so 2 cube into 3 into 5 and 288. If I do the same, 56 to 18 to 9. So 2 to the power 5 into 3 square. Okay, so these are the prime factorization. So now number of factors in case of 120 will be 3 into 2 into 2. Okay, that is 3 2 just 6, 6 2, sorry my bad, 4 into 2 into 2, 4 into 2 into 2, 8. So this is 16. And in this regards, for 288, number of factors would simply be 6 into 3, that is 6 into 3 will be 18. Okay, now we know total the number of factors or natural numbers which can divide 120 is basically 16, and number of natural numbers which can divide 288 is 18, because total number of factors. Now let us take the HCF of 120 comma 288. So HCF will be the common part as far as their prime factors are concerned. So we can see 2 cube is common, because in 2 to the power 5 of 288 also we have 2 cube. So 2 cube into a single 3. Okay, so that is 24 will be the HCF. Okay, so 24 can be represented as 2 cube into 3, and if I am to find the number of factors, in this regards, it will be 4 into 2, that is 8. Okay, now if I am to find the total number of numbers which can divide either both 120 and 288, if I have to find that, all I have to do is simply add all these three numbers. Okay, so these 8 numbers divide both 120 and 288, and this 16 divide only 120, and this 18 divide only 288. Now our required numbers, so therefore numbers which divide either 120 or 288 but not both will be, so number of factors of 120 plus number of factors of 288 Okay, so this is the total number of divides which divide both 120 and 28 minus 2 into number of factors of HCF. Why 2? Because we will be eliminating the entire common part, and one of the common part is included in 120 and the other common part will be included in 288. So therefore our answer will be 16 plus 18 minus 2 into 8. Okay, so our answer will be 18. Okay, 2 why? Because one of the HCF will be included in the number of factors of 288 and the other HCF factor will be included in number of factors of 120. So we are discussing all the factors that are common to both, because the case is either or and not both. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you, as in the approach and everything is involved. Okay, in case you have any doubt, just go through the same. I think that should give you plenty of insights on the same as well. Now, if you're looking for a complete solution on the entire paper pertaining to all the section, feel free to connect with us and we'll be more than happy to help you out as well. So with all that said, if you like the video, make sure you like, share, subscribe to the channel so that you can keep coming up with relevant content such as this further down the line. So with all that said, I'll be signing out. Thank you so much.